a team which is very ready to ensure that they continue with the strong streak of winning all the time. Bologna will be facing Udinese. That is today. And we've seen Bologna all the time try to come back. They've always started by conceding and coming back. Will they do the same against Udinese? Wait and see. Cagliari will be facing AS Roma. The dwindling Roma always. They've lost players this season. They are trying to sign new players. Can Cagliari take advantage of that this afternoon and see if they can win against AS Roma? We wait and see. Lazio will be facing Venezia, a team which has been struggling equally as Verona. But Lazio has a high chances of winning here. Should they start by losing or drawing, it will mean that Lazio have lost it. Because beginning of the season, the first match really determines so much on how this goes. Let's go to La Liga. In Spain, yesterday there was Barcelona against Valencia, and we know how all that went.